Good morning. I am here to show you how to use the Frayer model for vocabulary for the vocabulary words in the short story we will be reading this week. On the screen here is the Google Doc I'm sharing with you. As you can see, there are 5 boxes. The center box is where you will write the word or your vocabulary word. Up at the top left, we have the definition and a sentence. The definition should be in your own words, not copied from a dictionary or dictionary.com, and a sentence of your own with the word in the sentence. On the box on the right, you have the characteristics and the part of speech the word comes from. And on the lower left, you have examples, which can be synonyms if you'd like. And then we have non-examples, which would be antonyms. So I'll show you how to use this using the word ponder. So I type the word ponder and go up to the definitions. I'm going to write a sentence or a definition for the word ponder, and it is to think deeply about something. And then below that, I will give a sentence using the word. So the student had to ponder the question that was being posed. So right there, that box is finished. You have the definition to think deeply about something, and then you have a sentence using that word. On the right-hand side, we have the box, its characteristics and the part of speech. So I'll write the part of speech first. It is a verb because to ponder is an action word. And then I'm going to write 3 characteristics of the word ponder. And so I think it's thought, knowledge, because usually when we ponder something, we're gathering knowledge, and understanding, and processing. Those are the words I chose that might be characteristic of the word ponder. Then I'm going to go down to the lower left box using examples. So some synonyms for the word ponder we have consider, contemplate, examine, mull over, reflect, and I'm going to do a couple more just so I really understand what the word means. We have to speculate and maybe to weigh. And finally over here we have antonyms or non-examples of the word ponder. If you come up with other things that are non-examples of pondering, feel free to add them. So maybe forget or ignore, maybe disregard, neglect, agree, and discard. So that is the Frayer model for vocabulary. We'll be doing this vocabulary sheet for a lot of the words in this short story. You don't have to do them all in one day, but you do have to do a model for each word. If you have any questions, please let me know.